Hello student, 5th standard maths. Welcome back to maths class. Today's topic 13 decimals. Their subtopic 13.3 addition and subtraction of decimals. You have already learned to the add and subtract decimal number previous year. This year also same concept. Okay. See how to do the addition and subtraction. When given the addition and subtraction problem, that time first you do convert decimals. Unlike to like decimals, you converted there. Then you solve. Means we can insert 0 to get same number decimal places where required. And while adding and subtracting decimals, ensure that the decimal points come one below the other. Means how to do? See here. Given two numbers, okay? 15.47, 26.3 plus 43.1. How to do the addition? यहाँ पे कैसे करना है? डेसिमल पॉइंट जो भी आता है वो एक के नीचे एक आने चाहिए. देखिए मतलब ये, और यहाँ पे आफ्टर डेसिमल पॉइंट same numbers are there na, same places are there, so don't give there 0, insert the 0. Okay, now you add there same as it is. Okay, 7 plus 3 10, 10 plus 1 11, 1 right, 1 is a carry on next place. 1 plus 4 5, 5 plus 6 11, 11 plus 3 14, 4 right here, 1 is a carry on next place. 1 plus 5 6, 6 plus 2 8, 8 plus 4 9, 10, 11, 12. You got their answer. And where give the decimal point? Same place. After one number give their decimal point. Okay, all of you understand? या फिर एक ही लाइन में डेसिमल पॉइंट देना आंसर तक. Okay, all of you understand? Now one more example we learn here. One more example we learn here. Additions. 543 plus 10.56 plus 3.2. Now see here, 543 plus 10.56 plus 3.2. How to do? First write 543, then 10.56 and then 3.2. Now see here. Here decimal point given you? No. Give there 1 point and write there in front of there 0 0 0 0 because of second decimal number after decimal point two numbers are there, and here 3.2 means give there after 2 1 0 1 0. Understand? Now 0 plus 6 plus 0 6, 5 plus 2 7. Give here point also because of बिफोर 2 पॉइंट डेसिमल पॉइंट इज देयर, गिव देयर पॉइंट, या एक के नीचे एक पॉइंट आने चाहिए. 3 + 3 6, 4 + 1 5. Understand how to do? All of you understand addition? Now subtraction, how to do? See, this is addition and this is your subtraction. In the subtraction, see, 39.86 minus 28.534. Right there, 1 by 1. 39.86 minus 28.534. This is a unlike fractions. So, unlike decimal number, you convert there like decimal number. Here after point 3 numbers are there. Give there 1 0 because of here 2 numbers only. Now 0 minus 4. 0 minus 4 is possible? No. Take a carry. Here is 5 and here is 10. 10 minus 4, 6. 5 minus 3, 2. 8 minus 5, 3. 9 minus 8, 1. 3 minus 1. You got their answer. 11.326. 326. Now one more example. See, 500.3 124.8. 124.8. How to write 500.3 124.8 minus 3 minus 8 is possible? No. What you do? Take carry from next place, but next place after decimal point, na? Before of decimal points, you take there. You use here regular difference problem. You solve these problems with the regular difference, but give there decimal point. How many numbers are there after decimal point? Count there and give the point. Okay. See, 4, 10, 9. 10, 9. There is 13. 13 minus 8, 5. 9 minus 4, 5. 9 minus 2, 7. 4 minus 1, 3. And where give the point? After 1. Before 1 point. Understand? All of you understand now? Now open your textbook, page number 63. Find the sum and difference in your notebook. This one question, first write page number 63. First one question, you write there, find the sum and difference in your notebook. First number you write 328.712 plus 201.28. 328.712 plus 201.28. Give next 1 0 because of this is a unlike decimal number. After point how many numbers are there? 3 numbers are there. So you want second addend also after decimal point. want there 3 numbers. So give there 1, 0. 2 plus 0, 2. 1 plus 8, 9. 7 plus 2, 9. Give their point. 8 plus 1, 9. 2. 5. 529 plus point 992. 992. B1 also we solve here. Okay. C1. B1 you write. See here. We solve here. C1 write. 573.1 minus 253.43. Okay, now you solve here. 573.1 minus 253.43. After point, how many numbers are there? 2. And first addend, how many numbers? Only 1. What you do here? Take a 1, 0. Take a 1, 0. 0 minus 3 is possible? No. What you do? Take carry, 10. 10 minus 3, 7. 0 minus 4 is possible? No. You take carry from next number. 10 minus 4, 6. 2 minus 3 is possible? No. Take a carry from next place. 12 minus 3, 9. 6 minus 5, 1. 5 minus 2, 3. Give there point below that point. Yeah, count there. How many decimal numbers after point 1, 2. Count there. Backside to number 1, 2 and give their point. Okay. D1 is your homework. E also, F, G, H I solve here. H I solve here. I is your homework. I is your homework. J also your homework. K and L we solve here. K and L we solve here. Okay. Now next one. See in your textbook. Solve the following word problem in your notebook. Damini has rupees 211.75 and Kamini has 200.35. Damini has rupees 211.75 and Kamini has 200.35. How many rupees do they have in all? You write there first. Question number 2 in your notebook. Then first one also write A1. Words problem. Okay. Now, what you do here? Addition या minus? Addition या subtraction? They have in all. Have in all means what you do? Addition. Correct. Addition you do. Now write their answer in your notebook. First write your question. Damini has rupees and Kamini has rupees 211.75 200.35. C. 5 plus 5, 10. Carry 1. 7 plus 1, 8. 8 plus 3, 9, 10, 11. 1 right, 1 carry. 1 plus 1, 2. 1. 4. After 2 point, give their point. Okay, and write there. They have in all. They have in all rupees, and write there rupees 412.10 do they have in all. Okay. B1. A tank can hold 54.23 liter water, and tank B can hold 68.753 liter water. How much more water can tank B hold than tank A? How much more water can tank B hold than tank A? What you do here? How much more? How much more? What you do? Correct. Subtraction you do here. Subtraction you do here. Now, first you write question. First you write here question. Okay. Then tank B can hold how many there? Water hold 68.753 liter, and tank A can hold 54.23 liter. See here, after decimal point, how many numbers are there? 1, 2, 3. And here also you want 3 numbers. Now, what you do here? Give there first 0. Now, you minus there. 3 minus 0, 3. 5 minus 3, 2. 7 minus 2, 5. 8 minus 4, 4. 6 minus 1, 5. And where give the decimal point? Count there how many numbers after point 1, 2, 3. You count their last. You count their answers. Backsides number 1, 2, 3. Give the point. And more water hold. And write their answer. .523 liter water can tank B hold than tank A. All of you understand? Okay. Now, question number C. What is the total weight? 23.75 kg of rice and 54.855 kg of wheat. What you do? What is the total weight? They ask you. What you do here? Plus. What you do here? Plus. This is your homework. Okay. Today's homework. Page number 63 completed. Page number 63 completed. Okay. Thank you.